Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The media launch for the 2018 Cannabis Jamaica Business Conference and Expo was held recently at the Spanish Court Hotel in Kingston. Cannabis experts, policymakers, researchers and business people gathered to receive an outline of the proceedings at Cannabis' third annual business conference and Expo slated for September 27 to 29 in Montego Bay. Speaking at the launch, founder of the Cannabis Jamaica Business Conference and Expo, Douglas Gordon, shared what patrons can expect at this year's staging.
We wanted to ensure that Jamaica on a global level was seen as a place to come to and converge. So we could have networking, we could have business exchanges, we could have folks from all over the globe come here and get involved in industry. So we went out, we got people from Colombia, Mexico, we went to Israel, Czech Republic, the UK, all throughout the Caribbean. We have probably over 20 countries that are going to be represented at Cannabis this year.
Dr. Lorenzo Gordon of the Ministry of Health Cannabis Unit noted the importance of Cannabis.
Cannabis is an important vehicle, as is to really highlight the importance of Jamaica in the ganja industry. And Jamaica, we should understand, has an important role to play in the new revelation of this industry.
More than 50 speakers and panelists will share their knowledge among 1,500 delegates expected to attend this year's conference. Former Mexican President Vicente Fox and former TV host and medicinal cannabis advocate Montel Williams are slated to deliver keynote addresses at this year's staging of the Cannabis Jamaica Business Conference and Expo. Recording artist Bugle balances his music career with giving back to the community. For his latest single, he collaborated with popular disc jock Raz, formerly of the duo Raz and Biggie, for a summer single called World Party. Released on Bugle's Anointed Entertainment label, the song is produced by Lion Eye Records. When he isn't doing music, Bugle is passionate about social outreach projects, which is evident in his latest endeavor, a back-to-school initiative held in partnership with the Coralville Gardens Citizens Association. Held at the Community Center in Coralville Gardens, the event provided much-needed products and services for youngsters, including medical checkups, grooming services, school bags, books and other stationaries, fun and games, refreshment and live entertainment. DJ Bada Bling of the Unit Sound System expressed his thanks for the event.
Myself and a Bugle and the whole Anointed family. I don't know, this initiative Back to School treat is always one that is very special and dear to the Coralville family. So them I look out for it every year. Barber them there, you them I get them hair cut. The ladies them look at that, them I get them hair clapped up and be something. So big up myself, Bugle, continue for the great work. Anointed.
Bugle's single World Party has been enjoying spins on platforms across the Caribbean, Israel, Japan, the United Kingdom and Europe, and is in rotation on New York's radio station Hot 97. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.